Hello guys, welcome to Kitech Digital. Now in this video we are going to learn how to create this beautiful wonderful header over here. Okay, this two bar header over here with the top bar having some few menus over here that says hello, welcome, your name, and then with this one that have your logo, your a search bar over here, and then the shop page with a beautiful mega menu over here. Okay, and then we also have your help, your account, the account that will have a drop down sub menus over here, and then the header is also sticky. Okay, so when somebody scrolls, when a customer scrolls through the website, the header becomes so sticky, whenever the person scroll. Okay, so we're going to create this one using Elementor, and we're going to do it with free resources. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever we drop videos, you'll be able to watch it. So stick with us and don't go anywhere. Okay guys, so we are here on our dashboard on the back end of our website, and the first thing we're going to do is to install 3 plugins, okay, to help us to build our header, and then also to build the mega menu. Okay, so we're going to install 3 plugins. Now the first, so we go to plugins over here. Okay, plugins over here, and then we go to add new. So the first plugin that we're going to look for is called Element. Okay, so this plugin, okay, this one is what we are going to install. So we click on install, and the second plugin that we are going to install is also called user menu. Yeah, this plugin, okay, user menus, this plugin, user menus. So we click on install now, and the next plugin that we are going to install is called Fibo Search. Now this is a search bar on our header. Okay, so this one, Fibo Search. Okay, so we are done installing the plugins. Now let's go and then activate all of them. So we go to installed plugins, and then we go to inactive plugins, and then we click on we tick over here, and then we choose from the bulk action, we choose activate. Okay, and then we click apply. Okay, so that is it guys. So all the plugins are installed. Now first we need to do some settings on the menu side, and then also on the search bar that we installed right now under WooCommerce, because it is for WooCommerce here, and then we go to Fibo Search. Okay, yeah, so this is the settings over there. Now we're going to show advanced settings because we'll be using the advanced settings. So this is how this place shows you how you can be able to use the shortcode of the after doing all adjustment, how you can be able to place the search bar where you'll be able to place it. Okay, so you can use this one. Okay, now we are going to go to search bar, and then this is how the search bar right now looks like. Okay, but we will add a button over here. Okay, and then this is how it looks like. So to build our header, so let's go to appearance, and then go to menus over there. Okay, so this is the main menu of the website. Okay, so as you can see, this is how the main menu looks like. Okay, so we have the shop, we have the home, the shop, the product, which have this with no mega menu, just a drop down sub menu. This also the same thing, and then so we're going to divide these menus, okay, and then create it differently. Okay, so I just want the logo over here, the search bar, okay, and then some I want the shop, I want the maybe the contact, okay, and then the top will also have the when you are logged in, just like this one, but I want it in a different way, okay, and then some few other menu over here, but this one I'll bring it this side, okay. I'm gonna bring it this side. So that is how we're gonna go, okay. So now let's go here and start building a menu from scratch, and then we will build a mega menu for the shop page. So I'm going to create a new menu, okay. That is what we're going to use for the website. First things first, okay. So we want to build a mega menu sorry, we want to build a mega menu on the shop, okay, so that when we hover on the shop, we are going to see a menu drop down, okay. So first we have to, as you can see over here, we have to enable this menu for mega menu, okay. So we enable it. Now when you enable it, okay, and when you hover over here, you realize that there is a mega menu over here too, there's a mega menu over here too, there's a mega menu, okay. Yeah, so we are going to build this one first, but before that, let's save it. Okay, so we've saved it, and then let's hover over there, and then we are going to click on it to start building our menu. So mega menu disabled, so we're going to enable it, okay, and then we click on edit menu content. So first let's save it first, and then click on edit the mega menu content. So we are going to edit it using Elementor. So before you can be able to install the element kit, you need to make sure that you have installed Elementor, which is the free version, okay. I'll put the link down in the description so that you can be able to click on it, and then you go for it. So Elementor is just a free page builder you can use to build any kind of page that you want. It is simple to use, just drag and drop, and then it is a very nice plugin which helps website designers who don't have much skills in coding to be able to design a proper website, a responsive, nice website for themselves and for their client. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the mega menu, okay. So guys, we are building the mega menu on the shop. So I'm not going to build it from scratch, okay, because it will be a very long process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on element kit over here, okay, and then I'll go in for session, and then in the session I'll search for mega menu. So guys, let's search through and see the mega menu that we want, that will suit our e-commerce website, okay. And then we just select it and change some things to make it our own. So this is a mega menu, this is also a mega menu, okay, this is also a mega menu. So I'm going to pick this one, over here. So I'll click on insert, and guys, this is how the mega menu looks like. So we have the category titles, okay, and then individual categories within those categories, okay. So individual subcategories within the category. So you can decide to edit it the way you want it. Just click on this one, okay. When you click on this one, you go to subtitle, and then you can change it to maybe let's say sneakers. Yeah, sneakers, okay. And then sneakers will be shown over here, and then you can come over here and then also edit it the way you want it, okay. So when you click on this one, you choose you click to open, and then maybe men sneakers, women sneakers. Okay, just do all those things. Now if you want to tag it with a link, okay, so that when somebody click on it, it will open for them. You can what just tag the search for the page that you want over here. Okay, so you see all the pages over there. Okay, so anything related to what you are looking for, you will see it over there. Okay, so if it is let's say sneakers, anything relating to sneakers, or if you have a category which is called sneakers, it will pop up over there. Okay, so these are all product and pages. Okay, it doesn't give us the category, so what we have to do is to look for our category. Okay, so when we go over here, we go to shoes. Okay, and then maybe we copy the link over here, come back to this place and paste the link over there, and that is it. Okay, that is it, guys. You do the same thing to over here. You go and copy the the category link, and then you come and paste it over here. So you can do it and change everything over here. Now to change the image, to just click on this image over here. Okay, and then you see the image you open for you over here. Now just click on this one and then choose any image that you want to use. So let's say I want to choose this one. Make sure that you edit it so that it will be very nice. Okay, so that when you insert it over here, it wouldn't, yeah, like I said, it wouldn't be very bad. Okay, it will be very nice. So you can edit the width and the height of the image. Okay, so yeah, so here, okay, alignment, I'll put it on right. Okay, now guys, if you edit the image, I mean, like if you edit it and make it transparent, okay, it's gonna be very nice, right? Yeah, so this time around I don't have time to do those things, but if you edit it and then you make it transparent, it's going to be what it's gonna go it's gonna like take the shape of the color of your header, right? The mega menu, and then it's gonna be very nice. So that is how you create the mega menu for it. Now after everything is done, after everything is done, all what you need to do is to click on update over here. Okay, just click on update. Okay, so after it has been updated, all what you need to do is to click to close it. Okay, and then click on save over here and then close it, right? So we've done with the mega menu, guys. So we're gonna add some few things to the menu and then create a second menu, and then we use it to build our header. And we still haven't created our header yet. We are creating the menus first before we go ahead to create our header. Okay, so our menus are done. Okay, so let's go and create our header. So guys, what we have to do is first we need to go to element kit, this one. Okay, when you hover on it, you see different menu tabs showing over here for you. Now we are using the header footer. Okay, so we click on header footer. Yes, so this is what the header footer. Okay, so make sure that the header footer widget is what is on. Okay, make sure that the header footer widget is on. Okay, and then and then if you maybe you are in the menu side, you can't find the mega menu, also make sure that you have set it on so that you can see it. Okay, so now let's build our header footer. Right now we have to go through some setup first. Okay, so before we can be able to do all what we have to do. So let's just click on next and then click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, and then save changes. Okay guys, very good. So our settings are done. Now we are going to build our header and then footer. Okay, so what we are going to do is what, come here to header footer again, click on it, and then from the top over here, click on add new. Okay, now give a title to your header. So we are going to give the title as what, header 1. Okay, and then you select the type. Is it header or footer? So we want to what, the header. Okay, how do you want it? Do you want it to what, the entire site, or just a singular active archive page? Now this is what, the free one. All these ones are pro ones. Okay, but we're going to use this one, which is what, entire site, and then activate or deactivate it. Okay, so we can decide to hold on a while and then save changes, and then click on edit content. Okay, so we are going to edit it again. Now it is loading for us. Okay guys, so this is how a footer looks like. Okay, we don't have anything over there. Now we're going to build it from scratch. Okay, so first we're going to build the header, the header 2. Okay, that is the top one, the top header. So we choose I'm going to choose let me see. So I just want this one. Okay, and then I will give a background color. Okay, I'm going to give a background color of the color that, so this one here, and then let's place some widget over here. Okay, so we go to this 6 dot. Okay, now over here we are going to place what, menu, and then we're going to place menu over here. Okay, just the menu. So what we're going to do is we're going to search for menu, and then we look for this one, element kit menu. Okay, so we drag this one and bring it over here, and then we select our menu from here. So we are looking for header 2. So guys, as you can see, header 2 is what, selected over there. Our blog, our about our blog, and then what, our name over here. Okay, so now we can update it, and then with this one I can reduce the margin or the padding. Okay, so the top, I'm going to give it a negative, and then bottom 2, I'm going to give it negative 20. Okay, so I think this is okay. This is okay. And then with the menu settings, we can adjust whatever settings that we want to adjust. So you can give it to mobile logo or whatever it is, and then you can also give it in the tablet if you want it to responsive breakdown, or however you want to do it. You can show it. And then the horizontal alignment, we want it to be right. I want it to be at the right side. I don't want it to be in the middle over here. This one is okay. Very good. And then let's come over here. This one we can make it to a full width. Okay, so this is good. So it's taking shape. Okay, so now all what you need to do is to style our menu. Okay, so we go to style, and then we can decide to style it. So if you want, however you want it, you can choose it. Okay, so the menu item style, let's go over there. So with the menu items tab, we can choose the typography that we want. So with the typography, we want Poppins. One Poppins, and then you can choose this the size of the font. Okay, so maybe 14. Yeah, so 14 is okay. And then also with the color, what kind of color do you want? So maybe you want white. Okay, you want all white. But when you hover, okay, maybe with the hover you want a different thing, so you can choose it over here. So maybe when you hover you want black, right? So you can watch so that when somebody hover on it, oh no, not this one, not this one. Oh, this is the background. Okay, so yeah, this is the item one. So when somebody hover on it, you want it to be what? Black. Okay, so yeah, very good. That's nice. That is it. Okay, so guys, it is taken in shape. Okay, so we are almost done with the top one. Now let's come to the second part of it. Now with the second part, we want we want a menu, we want a logo over here, and then we want the bar, the search bar, and then the menu icons will be here. Okay, so we're going to choose these three things over here. Okay, these three things. So with the logo, I want this one to be, let's say, 20. Here 20 is okay. And then with this menu too, I want it to be 30 because it's only 3 items. Yeah, and then I want the search bar to be that big. Okay, so I'm going to bring in our search bar. Okay, so let me see if I can find it over here. If not, then we have to go back to our, with the search bar I just need to use a shortcut. So I'll drag this shortcode widget over here, and then I'll just write the Fibo search. Yeah, and it shows over here. Okay, so that is our search bar. Our search bar is intact. Now let's go over here and bring out what our logo. So with the logo, we can drag an image over here. Can drag an image over here and then search for our logo over here. So we look for our logo, which is let me go in for copies and see if I can see the logo. Okay, so we can use this logo, or this logo. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. So I'll bring the logo over here. Yeah, the logo is also there. So as you can see, everything is taking in shape. Okay, yeah, and then we bring another menu over here. Okay, so we click over here and then we search for menu, and then we drag this menu widget and bring it over here. And then this time around we are going to look for header 1. That is the menu that we built with our, yeah, so this is the header 1 menu. Okay, yeah, so this is how okay, so we will adjust it later on. Okay, and this is okay. So guys, let's come over here and do some settings with the bar the session over here. Now with the session, we want it to be what? Vertically aligned in the middle, right here, so that everything will be what? Perfectly aligned. Okay, and then we also want it to be what? Full width. Okay, Okay, yeah. And then with this menu, just like the way we did the first one, we want it to be what, this one not center, we want it to be, justified. Okay, let's see how it turns out to be. Okay, so the justify is kind of okay. The only problem that we are having is what is this mega menu. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to give a background for this menu column. Okay, so we go to style, and then we choose background color of white. Choose a background color of white. Okay, yeah. Okay, so guys, we are our header is almost done. It's ready. Okay, but we need to adjust this mega menu, which it's not turning out to be well. So let's save this one. Okay, and go back to our dashboard, and then from the menu we look for the header 1 menu, and then we select it, because that is where we're going to do. And then we go to shop, and then we click on it. Okay, so this is the menu that we built. Okay, so now let's go to settings over here. Okay, and then instead of default width, we can make it what, full width. Okay, then instead of the relative, let's make it default. Okay, and then click on save. Now let's leave it and come back to the menu, the header, and then refresh it over here. Okay guys, so after refreshing, let's hover on it and see. Yeah, everything is working. Okay, fully functioning. Yeah, the picture is in. Okay, so that is it. That is how you can be able to build a mega menu for your website. So I don't like the way this one is positioned over here. Okay, so I am going to edit this menu, and instead of justified, I'm going to make it just right. And then it still shows that way. Okay, so I think the justified is the correct one, but let's make it center. Okay, and let's see how. Yeah, I think this one is okay, and this one too is okay. Yeah, so guys, you this is how you can also build. So now you just have to click on what, update. Okay, now there's one thing we have to do. We have to what, allocate this header for this website. Okay, so I'm going to click on save over here and close it. So we have to allocate this this header for this website. Okay, so let's go here and then go to exit to dashboard. So as you can see, the website uses this not nice header, right? Yeah, and we are changing it to a different nice header. Okay, so we exit it to dashboard, and then we do some settings over there to make sure that we get the header on the entire website. So now let's go back to Element Kit. Where is it? Here, Element Kit, and then header, footer, yeah. So we publish it, but it is not what, it is not active. So we have two things. Okay, we publish it, but it is not active. So what we have to do is what, we have to, this one is what we are using. So we have to what, click on edit. Okay, and then we have to activate it. So we click on what, on the entire website, and we save it. So it is what, it is activated, so we can close it. So now let's go back to our website and refresh the website and see. So guys, as you can see, we have a new header over here. And you can see the name comes over here. Okay, so if you hover over here, we have our, okay, so the problem we have having is this one. Okay, this one did not show well the way we want it, but we can fix it. Okay, we can fix it. But as you can see, the idea is there. Okay, you can want to get the header fixed, a nice one, and then we have this one. So it's also showing over here, so you can check your wallet over there. Okay, so guys, this is how you can build a mega menu, and then build a different header for your website. Now what the next one that I want to do is this one is not sticky. It doesn't make it nice, because since we have a search bar over here, it's supposed to be sticky, so that when we scroll down and then somebody wants to search for something, the person can easily search for whatever the person wants to search for. Okay, so this then is not it's not sticky. You see, it's not sticky. Now I want it to be sticky. So the next one that we're going to do is to go to plugins. Okay, where is plugin? Okay, so go to plugins, add new plugins. Then we're going to search for a plugin called Sticky Effect for Elementor. So we're looking for Sticky Effect. Yeah, so Sticky Header Effect for Elementor. This is the plugin that we are looking for. Okay, so we click on it, we activate it. Okay, very good. So guys, after we have activated it, all what we need to do is to go back to the element kit. Okay, so we look for the element kit. Where is it? Yeah, this one, element kit, and we go to the header and footer section, and then from our header, where we build our header, this one. Okay, let's go, and then we go and we edit it, and then we have to make it sticky. Okay guys, so this is our header. We want to make this section of the header sticky. Okay, just this section of the header sticky. So we click over here. Okay, and then we go to advanced. Okay, now remember that because we installed the sticky header, we have this one over here. So you click over here, you click to open, and then you enable it. Okay, we enable it. So we want it to be on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Okay, yeah, and then you can do all those kind of, if you want it to be transparent. Okay, yeah, you can make it transparent. Okay, so you can set the header position of absolute or negative or whatever it is. Okay, but we don't want it to be transparent. We just want it as it is. Okay, so all those kind of settings that you want to set it, you can set it over here, and then you click on update. Okay, so now let's go back to our website. So now, as you can see, there is nothing like sticky. Okay, so let's refresh it, and now let's scroll down and see. You see, it is it is sticky. guys. As you can see, it is sticky, and we still have our, you know, a beautiful mega menu, okay, over there. So our header is what? Header is sticky. Yeah, very good. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Okay, please subscribe. Now I'm going to drop video almost every day, okay, on how to, design your website and how all the tricks involved, okay, so that you can be able to do your own thing. And this website is all about free things, okay. So we provide you with free things, okay, all the free things, resources that you can be able to use to build your website, okay. So stick with us, and then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.